Hey everybody, today I want to talk to you about setting SMART goals. Hey everybody, welcome back to Drawbridge Finance. My name's Levi Woods and it's the beginning of 2018 and I am thinking about the goal setting that I'm going to do for the beginning of this year. Last year at this time on January 6th, I started my finance channel to help people make more wealth. That was one of my goals. And another goal of mine was to do a little bit better return than I had on my investment. Now, neither of those goals were actually very smart goals. In fact, they were just kind of generic. And this year, I wanted to set up some goals that are SMART goals. Now, you're probably asking yourself, well, what is a SMART goal? Well, SMART goals are specific, they're measurable, they're attainable, they're relevant, and they're time-bound. So I'm going to set two goals for myself. The first one is going to be to beat my 2017 return on investment in my trading account. My second goal is also for the end of 2018. By the end of 2018, I want to have 30,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Now I've just about made it to the 10,000 mark and I'm just over 1 year into this channel. So hopefully you guys can help me out. If you're watching this video, please subscribe. If you're already a subscriber, please give it a like, leave a comment. It would be great if you guys left a comment with your SMART goals down in the comment section. Click the little share button, take this video and share it with your friends, and let's try to get other people to join my path of helping people get rich. Let's get rich together. Let's have a great 2018. Thanks so much.